Fun holiday-shaped baked tortillas with no oil, yet they still have a crunch. Pick your favorite holiday cookie cutters and cut tortillas into the shapes. We like to use simple ingredient tortillas that just have corn, lime, water, and salt. Next, place the shapes on a parchment-lined baking sheet. For the next step, it's helpful to have a spray bottle with water and whatever seasonings you'd like to use. You might use chili powder, some nutritional yeast, or even just some salt. Once you sprinkle the seasonings over all of the tortillas, use your water bottle to spray water 2 or 3 squirts on each piece. This will help with the baking process. Next, place the baking sheet in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. Bake time will depend on the amount of water that you used and the size of the shapes. Once you check them, they should be crispy all the way through into the middle. Making baked chips at home is a much healthier option than buying the bag chips with all the oil. These oil-free versions are fun and so cute to serve with your red salsa, maybe some salsa verde at your next holiday party. And if you have any left over, you want to make them ahead, just store them in an airtight container like a Ziploc bag. We hope you enjoy this. Happy holidays!